Hey guys, I have a question. Do you think this on my ear, my birthmark thing here, do you see, is a scar or not a scar? Because I don't understand. Someone has asked me, is it a scar on your ear or is it just a birthmark? Of course, I say there's a birthmark, but now I don't know anymore. Do it look like a scar or a birthmark? Because I don't know anymore. So what do you guys think? My on my ear. If I can ever show you guys, because of my stupid hair. If I can show you. Give me a second. Look right there. So I don't know anymore. That's why I'm asking you guys. Do you guys think it's a birthmark or something? I don't know. So let's just see. Okay, I just want to say that. Okay, bye.